So let's solve this Math Olympics problem. And we have here solve. And we have 3 times 2r plus 1 is equal to 27 minus 5 times r minus 2. And then we are given with choices from A to E. And E is none of the above. So how would you solve this? How would you solve this kind of problem? So that's the problem that's given to us. And the choices looks very simple. So the first step that you need to do when you are given with such a problem in Math Olympics, even in your algebra, for example, is to, step 1, you need to expand both sides. As if you see, in one side we have 3 times 2r plus 1, so it's actually, there's a parenthesis there. So you need to expand it. That means expand meaning you need to multiply 3 inside. All right, so first step, we need to expand both sides. The purpose of expanding it is we could combine the variable r. So one side there's a variable r, on the other side there's also a variable r. So our purpose of combining it is that we can then merge the two r's from the left and from the right. So let's start with the left side. We need to expand the left side. So this is what is given for the left side. So what we are doing now is we simply distribute 3 inside the parentheses. So it will become 6r plus 3 plus 1. And eventually, this is the final answer when we expand the side, the left side. So it's 6r plus 4. Then let's expand the right side. So the right side, we are given with this one. So what we will do is we simply distribute 5 inside the parentheses. So it will be 27, which we just copy. And will be 5r plus 10. And then if you combine all the constants there, it would result to 37 minus 5r. So that would be from the left and that would be from the right. And your equation would now look like this. So our new equation, after expanding both sides, so it will become 6r plus 4 is equal to 37 minus 5r. And remember what I just said in the beginning? We need to combine terms. We have 6r and 5r, which have the same variables r. So what we need to do is to bring both variables to one side. So we can transfer 5r to the other side. So we could combine it with 6r, and that is what we are doing here. And then we move 37 and 4, and then we have here, as you can see, we have 37 is on the other side, which is the constant. So we now have 11r plus 4 is equal to 37, and then we can even move 4 to the other side as well to combine it with 37, and we have this equation of 11r is equal to 33. And finally, we can solve for r by dividing both sides by 11, and r is equal to 3. Yep, that's the final answer. R is equal to 3. Do we have it in the choices? And if we look at the choices again, nope, there's none in the choices. So that means the answer is letter E, none of the above. Because number 3 is not an A, B, C, D. So the answer is letter E. So that's it. That's how you would solve for R. This is quite a simple problem, actually. So if you have some questions, just leave your comments below, and I hope to see you again in my next video.